Hello and welcome. If you're new to the channel,
I'm Nikki,
and I'm Mark.
and together with our van Chloe and our two dogs Sid and Ivy, we've started Vanlife.
We have sold our house in France, we have quit our jobs in France, we've sold our cars, we have sold everything in France.
There is literally no going back. Please join us on our journey as we're making memories 1 kilometre at a time. Hit that like button, comment and subscribe. Also, we plan to put out a video at least 1 or 2 a week, so hit that notification bell to find out what we're up to. Coming up in this episode. So as it's such a beautiful day here in the Polish-German border, lots of people have asked us about have we got enough space and how do we live, etc. So we thought we'd do a real-time van tour of Chloe, and you can see exactly what we have, what we don't have, what we think we need, or what we don't really need that we thought we would. So well, we bought this in Sweden. It's a thermocell mosquito killer, and that's something that we definitely do need. Being displayed by the lovely Mark there. Yeah, so that's one of our, we have to have it and by the door because of mosquitoes.
Apparently they all swear by it, don't they?
The Swedish apparently is just like, that's the first thing that they have. So we've got a little welcome mat as we come in. Mark's a big fan of mats. We've got a cupboard here with all, on top of that is all our pamphlets and leaflets and things that we've gathered just for reference really, and the obligatory poo bags of course.
Maps and leaflets, it's a bits and bobs, isn't it?
Yeah, yes.
Jackery?
The Jackery is a power bank. We thought we would need it, not knowing how much power we would use or how efficient the solars were. We bought the Jackery from Amazon, but again you can pick them up anywhere. It's great. It is great as a backup, but we've not used it anything like as much as we thought we would.
We tend to use it more in the cab when we're driving. If we've got to charge cameras and phones, etc., and that's ideal because in the cab there's not enough USB ports and stuff to charge everything. So we do it as we're driving.
It has 2 AC ports and 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. It has a very flashy light that will blind me if I put it on, and it has like the cigarette light, I don't know what they're called.
12 volt.
12 volt, yeah. You can charge it by mains or you can charge it by the cigarette lighter 12 volt thing, yeah. We have a sliding door that goes into the cab, so we can always access the cab, which I really like that. I don't like the feeling of not having accessing just in case of emergency or whatever, but there's lots of storage, coats and my yarn, chalks, Mark's fishing rods, yeah.
Behind there's so much great storage behind there.
It is. Under the seats is incredible storage that you wouldn't believe. Oh, another little storage here. This is the dogs. So we've got their harnesses and leads and there's such like in there, which is another little, oh, my flip flops I think. So that's another little storage. Storage everywhere.
So
this is the little girls' room.
we have
Do you want to put the light on, babe? So we've got light and there's a fan. No, it's more the fan. There's a light and a fan in there. Shower, really good pressure. My toilet. We do only do number 1s in there. It is a separating toilet. I'm not going to go into that at the moment, but if anybody is interested in knowing more about the separating toilet, drop us a comment and I'll do a full kind of ins and outs of a toilet. We bought the stacking, the shelving thing from IKEA.
It's all on wheels.
Yeah.
So
Sorry, Mark.
when we have a shower, that just wheels out here. The toilet comes out in there, stand on the wooden board, and have a shower.
Yep. So that works really well. And let's just shut away the curtain then.
Right, here is a great big storage cupboard. what we keep in here basically is our MacBook. We have all the drones and chargers and
Monopoly.
GoPro or Monopoly snuck in there and a few games. Here's our basket of goodies, all electrical stuff. Chargers, leads, cables, and
We know where to get when we need a cable. It's not a case of looking for it. It does have a basket of its own.
dogs have their own shelf, their bits and bobs. You just put our bread and stuff down there, and dog food at the bottom.
Nicky's magic water, vodka.
Nicky's magic water and vodka down there. Okay, handy little shelf here.
These we got from Action in France. They just slide over this wooden shelf. We do kind of keep lots of different bits and pieces in there, which is really handy. Torch, humidifier, candles.
Some lovely little foliage here just to keep it homely.
Yep. This we bought in Latvia.
Yeah.
Yeah, which I really, really like. It looks very real.
Yeah. Kitchen, gas hob, gas oven.
With our clanky tins.
It took us 2 or 3 weeks to get used to the oven because it's quite powerful. I assumed we put it on number 4. It's okay, but it was really, really too powerful. Everything was burning in 2 or 3 minutes. So the knack is stick on number 3. Everything cooks perfectly. So
Below the cooker.
Below the cooker is basically all our saucepans and bits and bobs, plates, Tupperware, some coffee, etc.
We probably have too much cookware because we only use 1 frying pan and 1 saucepan, really, don't we?
And 2 plates
And
instead
2
of
plates, yeah.
a dinner servers of 6 or whatever.
The 3 jugs are the reason is because they came as a pack of 3. So
Yeah.
when we declutter, we'll only put 1 jug in.
Here, this top cupboard is ideal because all that's in here is our wine glasses, tea, coffee, sugar, biscuits, etc. These lovely, gorgeous mugs that we got from Norway. Knives, a magnetic strip, which is perfect. A little bit here, just to keep our bits and bobs in.
It's the dog's tablets and the dog's medicine, basically, and Mark's charging cable.
Couple of plug sockets. One's always being used for the for Starlink. Other one just charging a phone at the moment. Couple of things to put your saucepans on and kettle, etc. In here is a Dometic fridge, which is probably full at the moment.
It's a compressor fridge.
There
Sorry
we
about
go.
the potatoes. We're on a site, so we baked some potatoes last night, and so we'll cut them up later.
And a
If you're interested.
freezer as well.
Yeah, freezer section.
Cutlery
Cutlery drawer.
drawer, bits and bobs. These things that Nicky made. Some nice little coasters for your cups. If you want any, send us a message.
God.
In here, usual under sink
Sinks.
cupboard. It's just all our cleaning stuffs and cloths and tissues, etc. That's a bin. We don't use it as a bin. We use it as storage for bin liners, etc. Stuff like that.
We're trying to collect fridge magnets from all of our countries. We're missing a few. People don't seem to do fridge magnets like they used to, but we will pick them up somewhere and somehow. This is our seating area in the evening. Again, a blanket crocheted by Nicola.
Want one of these? Just send us a message. We will send it out to you.
But it's got loads of storage under it.
Basically, in here, it's all our food. It's all our sauces, etc. And
As you can see, very healthily we live, yes.
Some potatoes, some onions, all get stored in there. Under this side of the cupboard is where we keep our blankets and towels, etc. Another little bit of storage in there, which in fact there's nothing in there.
There's lots of cables and things, so we tend not to put anything in there, if I'm honest
So
with
that's
you.
a handy cupboard, say for all the towels and linens and stuff like that.
Yep. The inverter is just down there by the switch for the inverter is just by Mark's legs.
That there basically tells us how much water's left in the tank.
Yep.
Okay, and these little devices here, that tells us how much power we've got going on at the moment. Obviously off grid, so we've got 80%. Your thermostat for your water and your thermostat
Heating.
for the heating.
Yep. There's a table here that comes out quite a long way. that we can sit and do editing, eat our dinner, etc.
It's handy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really handy.
Folds away just like that. We have an under cupboard here.
Under the bed cupboard that we access from inside. So that's got the TV in it. It's got the water tank. It's got quite a lot in there. Yeah.
We put the TV in there when we travel. We tend to put a cushion there, stop things moving about a bit.
Yeah, it's perfectly safe then.
Okay, we have Nikki's 2 cupboards, Mark's 2 cupboards, and a lovely, gorgeous, soft, comfortable double bed.
Yep.
So
it is widthways, but it's perfectly fine for us. And Mark's favourite device of all is
it's my little clock.
This is Mark's favourite device, so it gives us a temperature and a time. It's voice activated, or as Mark likes to do, he bangs the wall. Like so. There we go. Amazon, less than 20 quid, bargain. We have bedside lights, one either side. You can change the brightness on them, and underneath, just under here, is a charging point for USB.
We never use that, do we?
I do.
Oh, do you?
Okay. Yeah, so we've got various pretty lights, some fake fauna.
Lovely skylight.
Yeah, whoops, let me just step back. The skylight, that's fully open at the moment because it's warm. So you've got either the option of the mozzie net or the blackout. Yeah, so I'll show you around into the garage now. Oops.
Excuse the mess, it's not very tidy, but this is how we're living. This
is real life, this is. So
behind here is all our gubbins, all Victron.
In the sealed unit is the gas bottle, and we've got to say this gas bottle, we've been going now 10 weeks.
There's only a little one.
And the gas bottle is still working. It's great. It's amazing considering it's only a small one.
Gas.
Every time he lights the cooker, he says, "This gas bottle's going to go," but it's absolutely fine. We bought a plancher. We've not used it as many times as we thought, but we've not.
Some of the factors are due to the weather.
Yeah, it is due to the weather. Yeah.
Toolbox. Spare gas bottle behind.
Gas bottle
Bit of
behind.
tarpaulin, charcoal, etc. In here. It's our hose pipes where we fill out our water. Again, it's little connectors for the hose pipes and stuff like that.
Yeah, a lot of countries tend to have different connectors, so we have a bag of connectors.
We have a bag of regulators as well, just in case we can't get a gas bottle in a certain country.
Water pump and water heater is under that box there.
So yeah, so that's
Chloe.
That's Chloe.
We originally bought some reclining chairs, but we didn't really use them because at some of the park cups we stay at, you can't make it obvious that you're camping. You're parking, but you're not camping. So we've strapped those to the roof, and we've just bought some fold down chairs. Yeah, so that's pretty much a full tour of Chloe. We have some side lights here. Yeah, that's pretty much it really.
We have brackets up here. Either side of the
brackets
van.
are up for the cameras.
Brackets for the cameras, because some here at the back and at the other side as well.
Yep.
When we park somewhere that doesn't look too safe, we're not too unsure, we'll put the cameras up.
So, this is our happy place. So Mike showed you what Chloe looks like during the day. So we've got cozy Chloe at night. Yeah, she's very pretty. She's very pretty. Really hope you enjoyed our tour of Chloe. We've got some amazing vlogs coming up of our travels, including Sweden, Norway, Finland, and back down into Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania and Poland. So please give us a like hit that subscribe button and join us. Have a good day.